We know that the wire antennas like helical antenna and cloverleaf antennas provide circular polarization. So in this video, we are going to see whether we will be able to identify which polarization like right-hand circular polarization or left-hand circular polarization is given by these helical antennas and cloverleaf antennas based on the physical observation. So let's first consider a helical antenna case where these windings are in the counterclockwise direction. So this is the orientation of the helical antenna windings. So if we want to identify which circular polarization is this, what we can do is based on the right hand circular polarization, if the winding of an helical antenna is in the same orientation of our right hand, it is RHCP. So what we can do is we can use our right hand with thumb in the direction of the propagation and all other fingers in the folding direction, and we have to identify the direction of the our folding. So here you can see that the coil folding is like in this direction. So if you analyze the folding of our right hand, we can see it is in the same direction as that of this coils. So we can say that this antenna is right-hand circularly polarized. Let's case another antenna where this orientation is in the clockwise direction. So if you want to analyze which orientation is this, used in the same concept, use our right hand with the thumb in the direction of the propagation and the folding direction in the direction of the coil. Here you can see that my finger folding is in this direction, but the coil is going to be fold like this, that is in the opposite direction as that of this direction. So we can consider this as an LHCP antenna. If the orientation of our hand and the coil are in opposing direction, it can be considered as LHCP. So one other thing is we can compare this orientation with respect to our left hand also. So here I'm using my left hand for the comparison. Here you can see that my folding direction is like this thing. So here also you can see that if you consider the folding, it is also in this direction. So it is in the same direction of as my left hand. So it is LHCP. And let's see the case of a clover leaf antenna. So if you consider the uh, folding from the bottom position to top position, you can see that this is the orientation of that wire. So if I'm using my right hand with thumb in the direction of propagation, you can see that my folding is in the same direction as that of this wire. So this antenna is also a right-hand circularly polarized antenna. Based on these, means using our right hand or left hand, we can analyze whether these wire antennas are right-hand circularly polarized or left-hand circularly polarized. I hope you get some idea about it. If you find any of our videos useful, kindly support by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you.